Total transaction volume surged 40% in 2021 to a record $115 billion, as $35 billion went to startups, the report said. Mumbai, led by a 50% jump in private equity funding to an all-time of over $66 billion. The overall deal activity soared nearly 40% to reach about $115 billion in 2021 across 2,064 transactions, according to a report that expects the momentum to continue this year. The deal street was boosted by a 50% jump in private equity deals in value terms to $66.1 billion, an all-time high in 2021 across 1,258 deals, which is 32% higher in volume compared with 2020, according to data compiled by PwC India. Of the total PE money, as much as $35 billion were pumped into startups alone, the report added. Despite the headwinds from the pandemic and other looming uncertainties, the deal activity saw a record high in 2021 and surpassed pre-COVID-19 levels. The deal activity reached $114.9 billion with 2,064 transactions, a 40% increase from 2020 in terms of value and 60% in terms of volume, PwC said. The record buoyancy in the deal activity was driven by abundant cash reserves, availability of private equity dry powder, foreign direct investments and lower interest rates, it said. Of the total, PE deals contributed 57% by value and 61% by volume, while mergers and acquisitions contributed the remaining 43% by value and 39% by volume, it said. The country also saw record 43 startups turning into unicorns in 2021. Startups had a blockbuster with around $35 billion raised across more than 1,000 rounds, a 3 times increase compared to 2020 and largely driven by fintech, edutech and software as a service. Discover the stories of your interest: blockchain 5 stories, cyber safety 7 stories, fintech 9 stories. Ecom 9 stories, Mill 8 stories, EdTech 6 stories. PwC India partner and leader Dinesh Arora said that despite headwinds from the pandemic and other uncertainties, chief executive officers are significantly optimistic about the prospects for a stronger economy in the coming year. We, therefore, expect the deal momentum to continue in 2022, as we see a strategic shift taking place at the corporate side to digital and new disruptive business models driving M&A decision-making, Arora said. M&A volumes more than doubled in 2021 and 28% in value over 2020, led by megadeals in renewables, infrastructure and education. The technology sector continues to dominate the PE investment landscape, and the year gone by saw 823 deals totaling $40 billion, around 5 times of 2020. This sharp increase is primarily owing to large deal size. $5 billion deals totaled $12.1 billion, and there were 78 mid-sized deals involving $100 to $1,000 million totaled $19.4 billion, compared to just 19 in 2020. As more PE money poured in, there was also a major increase in their exits, over 6 times the exit value in 2020, led by strategic sales, which accounted for 36% of the exit value in 2021. PTI Ben HRS